All right, welcome back, everybody. Welcome back to Learn Price with Ease. This is Monday, and in this video, I'll walk you through what we call market outlook. Some of you are already familiar with it, and of course, you know that this is an opportunity for you to make money the next following week. And all of you that has already been taking market outlook seriously, you know how impactful, rewarding, and it has always been. This is what we do. What we call market outlook, where we come to the market in the new week and tell you what is possible of happening the next following this new week of the market and what you should be looking out to. And then, amazingly, it always comes out perfectly and according to our bias. Last week was there. I've done a video on that. We told out about 6 to 7 trades. Everything played out perfectly one after the other. You can go and watch the video up right here. So in today's new week, we're gonna be telling you what we're looking and what we're considering for this new week. In case you're just joining us for the very first time, I want to urge you, kindly please subscribe to this channel so that you can learn much more from us. And as well, you can join us on Telegram. We have a family, a big family on Telegram, where we teach, give free educations, trainings, and lots more. Of course, this could also be beneficial to you. Thank you, and let's do this together, guys. So for this new week, I'm considering what we call CADJPY. I'm considering a long on this. I'm considering a long on this. Why? The last time we were here, let me show you guys. The last time we were here, we had a rejection. We had a week two double rejection, and we long. There's same thing to a week rejection with long. So I'm expecting this is one first week. I'm expecting another leg week around this point. Then we can long. Am I talking? That is for what? On what? On CSJPY. Three bounce. First bounce, second bounce, and actually the third bounce here. Then I'll be longing. This might possibly be the thing that it will do for the whole of the week. So do not expect it to come sharp. This might take Monday or Monday. Okay. There's I think there's holiday on Monday. This might take Tuesday or Wednesday to mature and come here. Once it comes here on Wednesday, I don't mind. You know me very well. I can wait till Tuesday, I can wait till Thursday or Wednesday to quite and trade. And once I take it, bam, it targeting about thousands of pips. And that's how we roll it here, guys. Aside from that, I'm also looking at what we call gold. The gold digger. What the gold in the house, guys? The gold people, man. So I think last week we had about 2,000, we make about 2,000 pips on gold. And of course, and I still believe the continuation should still continue and should definitely still give us a good time. So if you're a gold digger and a gold trader, this is an opportunity for you. Let me show you. Let me show you. Good has been on a okay. Yeah, this is it. The last time we bought gold was here when the market broke this push that we entered. We made about 1k plus pips, and we tested at this point, and it's about to go in again. So I believe push should continue. If you find your entry, whenever we test, find your entry, it's continuing, it's not stopping at this point. So it's those are doing about 8 to 10,000 pips on gold alone. So you can as well find your entry, and let me show you anything around this point and what and just can you see where we entered? We entered somewhere around here and then we milked about that was about last week we milked about 1k plus pips. And so I still believe it's still gonna be potential long is still on it and the exhaustion has not started yet. So buyers are still in the market and I believe it's still what extend to this point, then we can begin to look for a possible shots around this point. So that is that on gold. My next pair for the new week again is I just feel pair actually is Euro card. Let me show you guys. But I'm looking for Euro card. I'm still considering a sell on Euro card, but it's not clear yet. It's not clear yet. It's not clear yet. It's not clear yet. Can you see, guys? Let me show you very well. It's not. I'm not liking what I'm saying. Can you see, guys? There was the last time we had a low. Market broke the low, and now market is retesting at under that low, which is showing a sell. You can see that our what twin line touches, first touch, second touch again. So this means definitely what this should definitely fall short to somewhere around this point or even come back to this point. But right now, what I'm saying, I'm not liking the candlesticks I'm seeing. I told you guys the candlestick speaks a language, and you must be able to interpret such languages whenever it prints out. You should be able to interpret them. So interpretation of those languages that will help you for your find your end-to-end and extra confirmation. Right now, with the candlestick I'm saying, I am not convinced yet to enter what, but we actually bought at the time, one time that we make money for the bot. But the long one, it was this, we bought this and we make money. The long one, the long drive is what is a short, and then the short has not matured yet. But I'm hoping that it comes back to this point, give me a double top and then begin to give me a rejection, then probably I can find my entry. If I see confirmation that is on the, but if I don't, I will stay back on your card. But I hope it's gonna be coming up so I can have find an entry and confirmation. Aside from that, the fourth one is what GBPJPY. Of course, JPY is gonna be giving me same thing. Of course, I believe you should what give me a confirmation. Of course, it should definitely come down to this point. Then I'm willing to long on what's on GDPJPY. Why? Let me tell you why. Awesome. Good. I love guys that ask why. I love people that ask why. Why am I longing? What do I see? What am I looking for? What are my confluences? What are the things I'm wanting to long? I love that question so much. It helps me to bisect and explain further to you guys. Okay, let me show you guys. Now, this is what we call a head. This is a shoulder. This is a shoulder. So I'm expecting another shoulder reaction at this junction here. Can you see, guys? In fact, this is a new head safe. This is a new head. This head realization. This is a new head. This is a shoulder, and then this is a shoulder. So I'm expecting a rejection at this point. Then we can be looking for a long because when last time we were here, we bought. Last time we were here, we bought. So I'm expecting the reaction at this point. This either this one or here. That's when my stop loss, and then we will be longing. This might be the long for the whole of the week. As we say, guys, our signals is not just for one day or 1 hour or 2 hours or 30 minutes. Once you enter, find your entry, you can milk it for the whole of the week and make about 5,000 pips from them. I hope you understand, guys. So I think that's all for today, and that's all for the new week. Let me know any of these pairs that are claimed to you that you'll be trading. Let me know in the comment section right now. And let me know comment that right now. And thank you so much for joining me once again, guys. I wish you a profitable week ahead. And bye for now, guys. Peace out.